Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys the unit that Apple has replaced for my former iPad Pro 12.9-inch second generation. So I broke my iPad and I went to Apple and they just told me that they can't repair it and they're gonna replace the iPad. So I also wanted to you guys to know that I had Apple Care Plus already with my iPad Pro. So this is the replace unit that I got from the Apple, and yeah, it comes like this. I didn't get any box and I didn't get any accessories with the replaced iPad, and this is the iPad itself. So let's go and have a look what it looks like. So this is the cover. So let's remove the plastics from the iPad. So yeah, it looks like this. So just yeah, the iPad looks brand new. And with my old iPad the glass was broken, so this is the new one. So yeah, it seemed everything seemed quite new. So you have a speaker here, camera, so everything is brand new. Okay, so let's go and turn this on. Okay, I've already turned it on, so let me go through all the setup process and I will show you guys yeah, how is it the same at the inside. And yeah, after setup iPad looks like this, and yeah, it has all the features that I had in my iPad, old iPad. So yeah, I have to log in with my iCloud, and yeah, that's it. After starting it, it looks like this, and everything seemed quite new. Yep, and that's my iPad. Okay guys, hope you guys find something helpful with this. Anyways, if you guys like this video, hit the subscribe button and comment if you want to know any question, if you have any questions. So yeah, okay guys, see you then.